What do you value in your life? And what are you doing to protect it? My name is Ryan Sandstrom, and I am the insurance attorney. I'm an experienced trial attorney with a thorough and deep understanding of insurance law. You might be thinking to yourself, what is insurance law? Insurance is everything. It's personal injury, it's property damage, it's business contracts, it's understanding business risks, it's interpreting policies, it's understanding ownership of assets, intellectual property. Everything touches insurance, and that's my wheelhouse. I am also an insurance broker. I've spent the last 15 years dedicating my life to interpreting, analyzing, and understanding everything there is to know about insurance, so that when you have an issue, when you have a loss, or when you have a need, I got you covered. I've litigated and managed claims for judges, for business owners, for insurance companies, for landowners, for employees. You name the person that's had an insurance issue, injured parties, property damage. I've taken care of those claims to make sure that they are fully and adequately protected, to ensure that what they value is protected. You might be thinking, why insurance law? I want to tell you two quick stories that kind of shaped the way I thought about the world when I was a young kid. The first one, when I was 11 years old, my mom was diagnosed with cancer. We submitted a claim, or my dad submitted a claim for insurance for my mom's treatment, and the insurance company denied the claim. And I remember thinking as an 11-year-old kid, what's going to happen to my mom? Thankfully, we found a good lawyer and he helped us out and got my mom covered. I realized very early at a young age the power that an insurance company has over people's lives. And second thing happened in my life when I was 16. I was a young, dumb kid. I was going to play basketball with some friends at the church, and I started driving to church and made a left-hand turn, and a guy on a motorcycle came flying down the road and just came out of the road and ran right into my truck. He hit the windshield and flew all the way over and had to be flown by helicopter to the hospital. Thankfully, he was okay. Thankfully, he survived. Everything was okay. 2 days later, I was still pretty shaken up by the whole thing. I was really nervous about everything, and a guy showed up at my house. He was an insurance adjuster, and he sat down with me and my dad, and he asked questions to my dad that just scared the life out of me. He said, how much is your house worth? How much money do you have in retirement? How much money do you have in the bank right now? And I remember thinking as a 16-year-old kid, did I just ruin my whole family's financial situation? I was terrified. Again, in that situation, we had to hire a lawyer, and thankfully, my dad had put together a really nice insurance plan and framework that he was okay. So we were able to get covered. So I didn't have the concern, the fear of what would happen to my family without that coverage. We had peace of mind. We were okay because we had taken the time, or my dad had taken the time to put a good plan together, and we had a really good attorney that helped us. So these two experiences early in my life inspired me to become the person that is able to help people in those situations, to balance the insurance company's power, to make sure that those individuals feel that peace of mind, that we build a plan for them and ensure, no matter what, that they're covered. Unfortunately, after 15 years of handling these complex insurance claims and understanding the nuances of them, people don't have good attorneys, or they don't have good insurance frameworks in place. And I often hear the phrase, I thought I was covered for that. I hate hearing that phrase. It makes my heart sink because I know the person that's saying it feels like the rug's just been pulled out from underneath them. Maybe they got hurt. Maybe they had a loss at their home. Maybe their business had to shut down. Something is causing them grief in their life, and that peace of mind that they think that they bought is gone. My job is to restore people's peace of mind and to create an insurance and legal framework to protect what they value. And if the insurance company tries to pull any fast ones, we go to bat for you. We ensure that you're covered. I am the insurance attorney, and I will get you covered. If you have something of value, I will get you covered. If you sustain a loss, I'll get you covered. I'm Ryan Sandstrom, and I am the insurance attorney. I fight with insurance companies on a completely different level than the other billboard lawyers that you see out there. You know why? Because for 15 years, I've told insurance companies what to do. Imagine when I'm on the other side fighting for you.